So I decided to go on an expedition from Louisiana to Peru to see what everyone was talking about. First, we landed in Cusco. We're drinking coca tea right now, so our body can adjust to the elevation. It's like a punishment. So I added my favorite ingredient, sugar. Much better. Some of you might not know this, but Cusco, Peru is a very mountainous city, and it is about 11,000 feet above sea level. Hence why we drink coca tea, which are the base roots of cocaine. Nothing harmful, I promise. Cheers, guys. Our breakfast in Cusco was pretty standard. Orange juice, eggs, fruits, etc. But what stood out the most was their bread. Cusco bread. Very, very delicious. Next, we decided to check out Quinta Iulia for some good meat. I had a lamb dish called costillar dorado, and we have potatoes and grits here, vegetables, and their huge lamb bones. With their national drink, Inca Cola. Cusqueña means the people of Cusco, so cheers to that. Later on, we headed to their local market for some fresh juices, freshly squeezed and blended right in front of me. Now this is fresh. That day, we ended our night with some Spanish churros. Cheers to good dessert. After we took a tour around some of the Inca ruins, we stopped for some lunch, buffet style. We have soups, tomato stew, spaghetti, lambs, beef, alpacas, chicken, white rice, potatoes, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes. Just look at the plethora of options. Broccoli, macaroni, purple beets, cucumber, more rice, grilled plantains. Plantains are one of my favorite. Boiled potatoes, more potatoes, sushi style potatoes, and much more. Peru is definitely known for their potatoes and good music. Check out my latest video on the left and my last video on the right over here. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.